Hello guys, so today we are going to talk about 5 websites to make money online as a freelancer. Do you want to get the freedom of working from the comfort of your home with no stress of being supervised? Do you want to work at flexible times? Do you want to save the time and fuel required to travel to your office? Well, if the answer to these questions is yes, then freelancing is for you. First, you need to identify your expertise in an area. Then you need to set up an account on a website for freelancers. Here are 5 websites that can help you make money online as a freelancer. Number 1. Upwork. Upwork has 12 million registered freelancers at present. You can sell any professional skill here at this website. The number of clients registered is 5 million. Upwork enables the clients to interview, hire, and then work with freelancers on its own platform. There is a timesheet application to track time by taking screenshots of the freelancers while they are working. In order to speed up the process of finding freelancers, it has a real-time chat platform. 3 million jobs are posted annually on this platform. To get started, you need to create a profile and then find a job you want. Submit your proposal. Number 2. Fiverr. I have hardly come across a freelancer that does not know Fiverr. Fiverr is world's leading platform for freelancers to connect with companies. It starts at $5 per job. Fiverr is among the top 100 most popular websites in the United States. You can sell any service at this website. For example, you can offer gigs such as social media services or create drawings. Number 3. Guru. Guru works by offering commissioned work to freelancers. Create your profile and submit codes to open jobs. Employers will review your code and then choose to hire you. So make sure you submit a compelling code. You can choose to be paid hourly, and you can also break down your job into milestones and set payment for each milestone. If you choose the method of recurring payments, then you will be choosing whether to be paid weekly or monthly or quarterly. You can also choose to be paid per task. You will have two payment options, which are paying invoices alone or through Guru's Safe Pay option, which is known to be more secure. 99 Designs. This website is an exclusive platform for designers. Instead of browsing through the portfolios and resumes, clients crowdsource their projects and set a budget. They give instructions regarding the project. Freelance designers read the project brief and submit their design. The client takes a week to choose the best design, and the designer whose design gets selected gets paid. This really creates a sense of competition and helps a designer work towards enhancing their creativity. People per hour. If you have skills related to CEO, web project, or software engineering, then this platform is for you. This site incorporates a tool named as Workstream. This tool organizes payment, communication, and management all in one place and helps to maximize business side of your work. You are allowed to send up to 15 proposals for work before you sign up for a premium plan. You can find jobs by browsing, and also you can get email notifications for new openings. Would you also prefer to work as a freelancer? Let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much.